Welcome to a video on the recording basics for GoToWebinar. In this tutorial, we will look at recording settings, how to record a webinar, how to edit a recorded webinar, and how to distribute your recorded webinars. Once signed into your GoToWebinar account, click on this icon to access your settings. Click here to open the Recording Settings pane. Here you can turn on Auto Record or turn it off. When Auto Record is on, it starts your webinar recording as soon as you start the webinar broadcast. Next are your saving and sharing settings. You can choose to automatically save, convert, and share your recordings to your video library, or choose to just save the recording file locally to your computer. You can also choose whether or not to include webcams in your recordings. Click here to learn a bit more about GoToWebinar online recording features. Once you start a GoToWebinar session and you have started your broadcast, you will see that your webinar begins to automatically record. This is shown by the recording button here. If you have opted not to auto record, you can click this button to start your recording. You can start and stop your recordings as much as you would like. It will all be saved as one file per webinar. When you end your webinar, you will be directed to your video library, where you will see your recording saving and being processed. After a minute or two, your recording will be ready. By clicking this drop-down, you will see a variety of options. If you choose to edit, you will be able to edit your recording with a simple but robust editing option. If and when you are done editing your video, you can choose to download it, copy and share a link to it, or you can also add it to or remove the video from one of your GoToStage channels. Best of luck with GoToWebinar's simple to use recording options.